Hi, I'm Monica Bramlett, and in this video, we are going to look at using strategies for multi-digit division problems with remainders. We are going to use the partial quotients algorithm that's based on place value as well as area models as our strategies to solve these problems. Okay, let's start with 267 divided by 5. I'm first going to start with an estimate. I know that 5 times 50 equals 250, which is near my dividend, so I'm going to use an estimate of 50. Okay, I will now take away 250, which is my 50 groups of 5, and I'm left with 17. I know that 3 times 5 is 15, which is the closest I can get to 17. 17 minus 15 is 2, and since our divisor is larger than our remainder, is larger than what's left here, I know that this is a remainder. So 53 remainder 2 is my quotient. Let's look at how this could look in an area model. So I've drawn my rectangle and labeled it with my known dimension of 5. So based on our estimate, we started with 50 groups of 5, which is 250. If we're looking for the area of 267 and we take away 250, we still have 17 left. I know that 3 times 5 is 15. And 17 minus 15 equals 2. Going to adjust my rectangle. Okay, and the way that I can illustrate my remainder is I can show the remaining 2 in a box that doesn't quite fit in the rectangle. Okay, let's look at a different problem. Okay, 294 divided by 4. So for my estimate, I know that 4 times 70 is 280, which is close to 294, so I'm going to use my estimate of 70. I'm going to start by subtracting 280, which are my 70 groups of 4, and I am left with 14. I know that 3 times 4 is 12. It's my 3 groups of 4. And 14 minus 12 is 2. My divisor, 4, is larger than what's left, so I know this is my remainder. So I have a quotient of 73, remainder 2. Let's look at what this would look like in an area model. Label with my known dimension. 4 times 70 is 280. Started with 294 and I'm taking away 280. I'm left with 14. I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and 14 minus 12 equals 2. Okay, so my rectangle outside here, I have a remainder of 2. Now I would like for you to try the next problem. You're going to solve 373 divided by 8. Press pause, and when you're ready to check, press play. So for my estimate, I know that 8 times 40 is 320. 8 times 50 is 400. So I'm going to go with an estimate of 45. So I'm going to start by taking away my 40 groups of 8, which is 320. I am left with 53. I know that 8 times 7 is 56, which is too much here, so I'm going to go to 8 times 6, which is 48. My difference is 5. So my quotient is 46, remainder 5, which is very reasonable to my estimate. Let's look at what that would look like on an area model. My known dimension is 8. I'm trying to work my way up to a total area of 373. 40 times 8 is 320. If I want a total area of 373, I'm going to remove the 320. And I'm left with 53. I know that 6 times 8 is 48. And 53 minus 48 is 5. So I have a remainder of 5. So in this video, we looked at using place value strategies and area models as strategies to solve division situations with remainders.